Hello everyone. So myself Rahul Jagga. I am a fifth year law student from University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, pursuing BCom LLB in taxation laws. So for the month of July, I am a legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today for our topic is power of a police to arrest without a warrant or without an order of a magistrate. So let's start. The term arrest has been neither defined in any code or in a Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. So, in layman language, the arrest means the restraining of a liberty a person in order to compel the obedience to the order of the court of justice, to prevent the commission of a crime or to ensure that a person charged or suspected of a crime may be formatted in answer it. So there are so many provisions which a police have to arrest without a warrant. So let's start. The provision of arrest is given in chapter 4 from section 41 to 60 of a Code of Civil Procedure 1973. So section 41 of a CRPC deals with a main situation when a police officer may arrest any person without a warrant or without any order of a magistrate. A police officer may arrest any person who commits any cognizable offense in a presence of a police officer. Second one is against a person who is reasonably complaint is made against the person, or a reasonable suspected exists that he has committed an offense and punishable with a 3 to 7 year of imprisonment of either descriptive with or without a fine. It depends upon the situation which a criminal has done. So further provided that the police officer he has a reasonable to believe that such person has committed the said offense and is satisfied the arrest is necessary. It also further provided that the commission of the officer or to proper investigation or to prevent tampering and evidence, to prevent threat, etc. to witnesses and other provisions. So let us discuss the another important provision which is laid down in the section 42 of the CRPC, which states that situation police officer is authorized to make an arrest with a warrant or a order of a magistrate. This section authorizes any police officer to arrest a person who commits an non-cognizable offense. Second one is in the presence of a police officer and denies to give his name and resident address, or giving a false name and resident address to a police. If any person is found by giving their wrong names, their address and so on, should be arrested by a police without an warrant. So there are so many other cases in which a police officer is empowered to make an arrest without an warrant. So first provision is laid down in the section 155, which empowered a police to arrest any person who is designed to commit any cognizable offense which cannot be otherwise prevented. Second provision, which is laid down in section 432 clause 3, lays down the provisions that any person whose suspension has been cancelled can be arrested by a police officer without an warrant. And other most important section, which is laid down in the section 438 clause 1 of the CRPC, empowered the office in charge of a police station to arrest any person without an warrant if the court has an entertained his application of anticipatory bail for a non-cognizable offense. So there are some case laws related to this scenario. So let us discuss some of the aspects of the some case laws. So first case is Emperier versus Madho Dhobi. So what will happen in this case? So the police officer are not defined in the code of the civil procedure. So if a police officer make a wrong arrest under a bona fide mistake, he is protected by the prevented laws. The arrest, even if illegal, does not affect the trial of the case. So second and most important case, which is laid down by a Supreme Court, which is a Lakshmi Narayan Vishwanath Arya versus State of Maharashtra. So in this case, it was held that the general provisions which is contained in the chapter 4, especially in the section 41 clause 1 subsection D of the code, which has been read in the conjunction with the provisions contained in the section 155 and 156. Okay, the power under a section 41 can be exercised without a intervention of the court. This is the main thing which is told by a honorable court. And last and important case law, which is Bao Javalia versus Mulya Dayal. So in this case it was held that the section 41 is not exhaustive. There is a various other acts like Army Acts, Explosive Acts, etc. and so on, which also confers such power to a police officer to arrest any person at any time without a warrant or without an order of a magistrate. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you think you have any query related to any question, so feel free to comment in a comment box. Your answer and query should be given as soon as possible. So thank you so much.